Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and thanks again for dropping by. In this quick tutorial, we'll take a look at some of the best cursive fonts that you can use for making printables. By the way, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I post videos like this. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get started. First things first, when choosing cursive fonts for a printable, there are a few things you need to consider. First, easy to read. Unless you're using the font for something like a planner cover, for example, a large font size, most cursive fonts will be hard to read. Try to use cursive fonts for a title of a printable only. Example, the month on a calendar or a name on a planner cover. Second, font size. Some cursive fonts have so many flourishes above and below or even in between letters that you need a large font size, which reduces planning space on the page. Sometimes they're not even legible anymore, and I would suggest using no smaller than font size 14 for your printables, which rules out some cursive fonts. Third would be spacing. Some custom fonts come pre-formatted to have a large line spacing between text, and you won't know until you download the font and try it. Thankfully, it doesn't happen with many. Try to avoid these fonts as it wastes too much space. Fourth is commercial use. Some websites have terms of use which are clear and easy to understand that you can and can't do with the item. They also have font bundles for a discounted price. Just be sure to check the terms of use. You may be required to give credit to the creator of the font on the item you make. For example, place wording such as font courtesy of, then use the designer name or put a designer name on the inside cover of a planner where you've used the font, or the listing description for the item in your shop. You can also contact the creator to ask about purchasing a commercial use license, or purchase an add-on commercial use license, or purchase an add-on no credit commercial use license. And here are some sites with great fonts for free. There's Creative Fabrica, which I like, Font Zone, Font Squirrel, Font Bundles, Craft Bundles, Typewolf, Google Fonts, Urban Fonts, 1001 Free Fonts, Font Space, Font Fabric. And there's a lot more out there. Fifth, does it come with numbers? Some custom fonts don't come with numbers in the coordinating cursive font. It's not a deal breaker depending on what type of printables you're making. It might be something you want to check. Sixth, bold. Some cursive fonts look nice but only at a large font size. If the letters of the font are very thin and there is no option to add a bold font style, and not all custom fonts have this option by the way, then no matter how nice the font is, don't use it if you can clearly read it at the font size you need it to be. And here are some of the best cursive fonts. And I've put a link of where you can get these fonts in the description. You're welcome! To summarize, I typically use a cursive font for the title and stick to simple fonts for the rest of the printable. And here's an example of what I mean. So, care to share your favorite cursive fonts? I would love to know and try them. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful and inspiring. I would love to hear what you think in the comments below. And please don't forget to smash that subscribe button now if you haven't done that already. Keep watching and keep learning. I'll see you next time. Bye!